Trust. We throw this noun around as a top 3 tier of the Holy Grail, sacred of sorts, as if once broken, it could never be restored. Not so fast. We are all human, and yes, there are certain levels of trust that, when broken, carry different consequences. However, the purpose of this video is not to create a sentence guideline for different trust infractions. It's more on how to put the infractions behind us and work on regaining trust once again. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today on Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel created exclusively for you to assist you while you navigate relationship challenges. It's your channel. I invite you to familiarize yourself with our exclusive library of videos created by Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, Coach Danny, and myself, touching on a variety of topics which I feel confident you will be able to relate to. Trust. Without a doubt, it's such a loaded subject. It appears in 99% of all conversations I have with my clients in one way or the other. You know, Abby, how am I going to trust him after seeing the pictures text on his phone? Or Abby, she always flips her computer screen down when I walk into the kitchen in the morning. What is she hiding? Seriously, the list goes on and on. And yes, many times what we are complaining about justify being skeptical, especially if you add this to past behaviors where you or they were caught with one's hand in the cookie jar, so to say. The I can't forget. The I am continuously reminded. How can I be sure it won't happen again? Questions continue to haunt one, and we find ourselves ruminating over and over the same issues. Can trust be rebuilt? Yes. Overnight? No. It takes baby steps. It takes surrender, perseverance, and teamwork to make it happen. If trust issues are the Achilles heel in your relationship, I strongly suggest reading 8 Dates by John and Julie Gottman. The book in its entirety is beyond amazing. And trust me, the title is deceiving. On the surface, it may seem to be the first initial 8 dates when starting a relationship. Yet when you dig in it, it's apparent that it can be so useful regardless in what stage of a relationship you find yourself in. First things first, though, you need to embrace that trust and commitment feed off each other. They are the yin and the yang of a relationship. They are what keep the other strong and standing together. It requires jumping in the relationship with 2 feet. You cannot have 1 foot in and 1 foot out the door. You can't wobble. You need to make your partner your priority. You keep promises. You do not keep secrets. You do not cheat physically or emotionally. You are there for your partner when they are hurting or sick. Yet, what if you didn't? You didn't make your partner a priority. You kept secrets. You cheated. What then? In order to give this subject the serious attention it demands, I will share with you the 8 steps suggested in 8 Dates verbatim. Number 1, you need to set a specific time and date to talk about the issues at hand. Number 2, each partner names the feelings he or she is experiencing during the incident without blame or criticism. Number 3, the receiving partner listens without feedback or judgment. Number 4, each person describes his or her point of view about what happened without blaming or criticizing their partner. Each refrain from describing their point of view until it's their turn. Number 5, explain any feelings that were triggered by this incident, feelings of rejection or abandonment that surface as a result of this incident. It's so important to express your feelings. And number 6, each partner assessed how they contributed to the incident and hold themselves accountable. 7, each apologizes and accepts each other's apologies. Pivotal point. You need to accept each other's apologies. And finally, number 8, let's make a plan together to prevent this from happening again. I invite you to book a session with me so that we can together work on rebuilding trust. There are certain exercises that are so much fun to implement, such as blindfolding each other, which no, it's not what you may think, yet it's very, very effective. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and leave your comments regarding this or any other videos and or other suggestions which you may have. I will look to answer each and every one of your concerns in a timely fashion. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.